I think that a huge part of dealing with difficulty and challenges is having a good opinion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, husn al-dhann billah, realizing that Allah is never going to seek something that's bad for you. He's not going to put you in a situation, first of all, that you can't handle. Allah says that He never puts a burden on you more than you can carry. And second, Allah always wants good for you. That the matter of a believer, the Prophet ﷺ said that the matter of a believer is strange because everything is good for a believer. And so this means that no matter what I'm going through in my life, having firm faith that this is actually good for me, whether or not I understand it, but I know deep down that this is good for me. And it's sort of like the example of a doctor who gives you medicine, but sometimes the medicine has to come in the form of a needle, through a needle, and there's a prick, there's a pain to it, but the one who understands that this is intended to cure me, this is intended to strengthen me, then they look beyond the pain and look at the cure instead.